Girls trip day 1. Technically it's night, but we had to do some shopping. Never put us in a store again. We literally just bought snacks instead of food and then played some board games, and that was our first day. It's officially day 2. I have such a patchy sunburn. Don't look at the hairs. Like I said, we're going to Josephine's Kitchen. It's like this breakfast brunch place that we saw, but we didn't know it was gonna be like fancy cute, so we're gonna go try it out. Like my muscles. Doing my hair, and then we're gonna go to Gravity Park. I still need to do my makeup. Yes. After Gravity Park, we went to Louie's backyard, and let me tell you, that Dr. Pepper stay is falling. It is day 3. We're about to have crab boil. I just got out the shower. My hair's been greasy and it's all tangled up. My sunburn update. It smells so good. I wish I had a stabilizer. This was brown and toasted now.
Good. Yeah.
More?
Are you good? More?